Welcome to Funful English. In this video, we will learn 30 common phrasal verbs. This is the first session of our phrasal verbs learning series. Please subscribe our channel for more content. Let's get started. Abide by, meaning to accept a decision or law and act in accordance with it. Example, it is important for teens to learn safe driving skills and abide by them. Act up, meaning behave badly, misbehave. Example 1. Brian got bored and started acting up. Example 2. My computer has been acting up recently. I need to get it repaired. Back down, meaning to admit that you are wrong or that you have been defeated. Example, eventually, Robert backed down and apologized. Break in, meaning to enter something, such as a building or computer system, without consent or by force. Example, the burglars broke in through the kitchen window. Call on, meaning make use of someone or something as a source of help. Example, we are able to call on academic staff with a wide variety of expertise. Carry on, meaning continue an activity or task. Example, she carried on watching the TV. Cover up, meaning try to hide the fact of illegal or illicit activity. Example, the Prime Minister was accused of trying to cover up the scandal. Doze off, meaning to fall asleep, especially for a short period of time. Example, the office was so hot, I almost dozed off at my desk. Fall through, meaning failed to happen. Example, we found a buyer for our house, but then the sale fell through. Get along, meaning have a harmonious or friendly relationship. Example, they seem to get along pretty well. Give up, meaning cease making an effort, admit defeat. Example, he wasn't the kind of man to give up easily. Go through, meaning undergo a difficult period or experience. Example, the country is going through a period of economic instability. Hang on, meaning hold tightly, wait for a short time. Example 1. Hang on, a big wave is coming. Example 2. Hang on, I am not ready yet. Join in, meaning to become involved in an activity with other people. Example, I hope that everyone will be able to join in the fun. Jump at, meaning accept an opportunity or offer with great eagerness. Example, I jump at the chance of a career in football. Keep up, meaning move or progress at the same rate as someone or something else. Continue a course of action. Example 1. Often they had to pause to allow him to keep up. Example 2. Keep up the good work. Look into, meaning to inquire into, investigate, examine. Example, the auditors are looking into the records to find the cause of the discrepancy. Look through, meaning quickly read through a book or other written material. Example, we looked through all the books and this was still the one we liked best. Make up, meaning invent a story or plan, compose or constitute a whole. Example 1. She enjoyed making up tall tales. Example 2. Women make up 56% of the student body. Opt out, meaning choose not to participate in something. Example, you can opt out of the state pension scheme. Pass away, meaning die. Example, he passed away in his sleep. Point out, meaning say something to make someone aware of a fact or circumstance. Example, she pointed out that his van had been in the car park all day. Run into, meaning collide with someone or something. Reach a level or amount. Example 1. He ran into a lamp post. Example 2. The company had debts running into millions of dollars. Show off, meaning display someone or something that is a source of pride. Example, her jeans were tight-fitting, showing off her compact figure. Speak out, meaning express one's feeling or opinions frankly and publicly. Example, the government will be forthright in speaking out against human rights abuses. Stand out, meaning project from a surface. Persist in opposition or support of something. Example 1. He is very angry. The veins in his neck stood out. Example 2. She stood up against public opinion. Talk over, meaning discuss something thoroughly. Example, Davey wanted to talk over our arrangements for doing the project. Turn down, meaning to adjust a control on a device to reduce the volume or level. Example 1. She turned down the volume of the TV. Example 2. His novel was turned down by publisher to publisher. Walk out, depart or leave suddenly or angrily. Example, boss had walked out of the meeting room in a temper. Write off, meaning dismiss someone or something as insignificant. Cancel the record of a bad debt. Example 1. They were written off as a bunch of no-hopers. Example 2. He urged the banks to write off debt owed by poor countries.